Good morning. Oh boy. Good morning. Welcome back to the grind. My battery is low again. My battery has been low for the last couple videos. It's okay. Y'all can see how early it is. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all see how early it is, man, but we gotta get to it, man. Oh boy. Can't even see out my windshield. But it's okay. I can see now. I can see clearly now that the rain has gone. Now let's get to the grind. I hope y'all doing the same. Oh boy. But until then, man, y'all know the lingo, man. Go ahead, consider subscribing, man. Liking, commenting, sharing. Please. Also, man, check out me and my wife's channel, man. Me and my wife. Life of Ash and B, man. That's early in the morning, man. It's 6 o'clock. And I'm trying to get to the money. But yeah, man, today, that's what I thought about. Today, man, we're gonna get the truck vlogs in today, Jay. Yes, sir. Finna bring them joints there back to the channel, man. Back to the channel. Truck vlogs on the way. So, y'all finna see a bird's eye view of what I see and what I have been seeing for 14 years. Well, I started driving in 07. Is that 14 years? I started driving in 07. That was 2021. So 14, yeah. 14 and 7. Yeah. Sheesh. I feel real old when I say that. Yeah, headed to the job, man. Gotta grind it out. Grind it out, man. Go ahead and get it over with. Boy. I wonder what today holds, though. Hopefully it holds something very, very, very special. Hopefully. Well, even if it don't, you know what I'm saying? Still blessed to be here. Blessed to be a part of it. Blessed to say I can go to a job, get some money. Even though I wish I was blessed to say I don't have to go to a job and I'm getting this money. But hey, that's coming though. It's coming. I got faith in that. It's coming. Man. I be seeing that boy Corey, man. He be having his camera like right here, man. Yeah, why? So I'm gonna try to start doing that, man. I'm gonna hold my camera right here to my face. But yeah, man. I wonder if I should start doing like some morning motivations or something. Motivation, man, you know what I'm saying? Just to get everybody up, man, and get everybody going. Get everybody up, get everybody going, man, you know what I'm saying? I'm to having some type of positive day. Cause I hope all y'all days is positive, man. I really do. I hope y'all wake up, man, and go through life unscathed. that being said, man, let me get on up here to this truck. Come on, people, get out of the way. Out of the way. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Yeah. Finna get on to this truck. I'll hit y'all in a minute. Yo, man, we back up in here again, man. Hey, look, this background might look a little different. I ain't gonna say it look different, it's just probably something y'all ain't seen in a while. Yeah, man, so I'm in the truck, man. So guess what? I'm gonna try my best to bring back the truck vlogs, man. Bring back the truck vlogs. So y'all already know the lingo. Man, go on here, man, comment, consider liking, consider subscribing, man. I wish you would put a like on here, I really do. But hey, sometimes we can't all get what we want. So look, check this out. Anyway, go ahead, subscribe, man. Please do that. Consider doing it anyway. But now I'm at this place that it's like it's a tractor place or something. But yeah, man, that's what we got. That's what we got, man. We got some, I don't know what that is over there. Like some hoppers or something. I don't know. I guess it's probably somebody in here that know what all this equipment is. But then we got these big boys right here. Got them big boys. Got all the tires over there. There's more of them big boys. I should have went inside. I should have recorded when I was inside, but that's a guy there. He tinted the windows and everything. I guess these over here is the axles for him. Yeah, man. I'm about to start these truck vlogs, man, so y'all can see what I be doing on a daily basis, man. We got some wheels over there, man. I know them things. There ain't no 26s. Woo-hoo-wee! Them ain't no 8s, that boy. Them right there is some, I don't know what them is. I have no idea what them is. Jesus Christ. Hold on, he's gonna bring me paperwork. Hold on. Damn, I forgot my battery was low. But yeah. Headed to this little stop, man. Man, you'd be amazed at like the stuff that you have. The stuff that you pick up, like the stuff that's in your city that you're driving off, like you'd be amazed at some of this shit. Gonna go to this place now called Home Juice, and I got all the Mr. Pures and all that right there. They gonna tell me what's on the trailer, but yeah, man, you'd be amazed at some of these little places, like some of these places that's in your city that you had no idea that it was in your city. And I bet y'all wondering, like, why you just won't stick the GoPro back on the window? Man, it'd be so noisy. Like, half of the time y'all don't even hear me. So it's like, when I put my GoPro up, all you hear is, you know what I'm saying, whatever, like, you might hear this ball on my steering wheel, or you might, like, you hear a whole bunch of, like, I don't like that shit, so I'm gonna hold this jump for the time being until I figure out something else, until I figure out some type of better equipment that I can use for the truck, because like I said, this truck's so noisy, man. But, yeah, man, you know, like I said, you'd be amazed. It's cool though, because you get to see, like, it's like being over the road in your city. You know what I'm saying? So you get to see everything. Like you get to see a lot more than a person that don't do this. You get to see a whole lot more. Like you get to know where a lot of stuff is. You're like, dang, I didn't know that was right there. And you be kind of inconspicuous too, because don't nobody, you know what I'm saying, be knowing you be in the truck or whatever. So be kind of inconspicuous. Like, okay, that's where this is. That's what this is right there. Okay. You can look all you want, cause ain't nobody gonna pay attention. Like, below in that truck right there, unless you know me or whoever you is. Like, you know, they in that truck right there. Like, ain't nobody really paying attention to that. But these folks looking at me crazy like this man is driving an 18-wheeler with a camera in his face. Yeah. So I know there's a couple guys on here. They involved with trucks or whatnot. What's some of y'all most memorable moments in the truck, man? Good or bad? I remember one of my most memorable moments. I got a couple of them. I give y'all two. Man. I was in Pennsylvania, man, and it was like a traffic jam or whatever. We sat there, man, forever, bro. Like, man, we sat there so long. You know what I'm saying? It was like, man, like, what y'all doing? Like we sat there so long, I literally had to reschedule my load, like, for real. Trying to start moving. You know what I'm saying? Like, I figured that it was a wreck. Like, that was on my mind. Like, man, somebody had a wreck. And like, we got to moving. We get up to the accident. I mean, for sure, it was an accident. Get up to I ain't gonna say, well, yeah, I don't like saying accident because I be feeling like it can be avoided, but it is what it is. That's just me. Got up to the accident. Man, I don't know if y'all ever seen like one of those 18-wheelers that haul glass. They haul like the industrial windows, like the windows that go on the, you know what I'm saying, the big buildings or whatever, the big thick windows. Man, bro, I don't know what happened to make that trailer turn over. Like, I don't know what happened before that. The trailer turned over. And it turned over on somebody's car. Now, you gotta think, bro, that glass heavy as shit. Like, this whole truck turned over on these people's car. Come to find out, it was a lady in that giant. So, no, she ain't make it out of that. That was crazy. Like, at that point, like, people wasn't, like, it was so much rubbernecking going on. Like, people was really just trying to look like, damn, like, it was so much glass, bro. Like, the glass broke all over her car with them. Like, it was so much glass that you really couldn't even see the car. Because it flattened the car, like the car was crushed. Like, it flattened the car. Like, that's how heavy them glass, them windows are. You know what I'm saying? And I was like, dang, you know. You know what I'm saying? There was a lady in the car. And I don't know what happened, but dude turned that trailer over. Truck and trailer, turned the truck and trailer over. In the middle of the expressway. It landed on her car. Damn. Like, that's enough to fuck your day up. Like, damn, that was messed up. And then another moment, I was in Maryland. I I was in West Virginia. West Virginia. Was it West Virginia or was that Maryland? Might have been Maryland. I ain't sure. I was at a Pilot though. I was at a Pilot truck stop. I had just got me a pit. Blue Fawn. And I came back to Memphis to get my dog. Left back out. So I got the dog in the truck with me. We ride. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what made. Excuse me. I don't know what made this person do this. But like we was riding, it was cold as shit. Well, it was so cold. Like it was cold. Like snow and ice and everything. This driver, man. You know what I'm saying? He was riding. I don't know if he was on drugs. I don't know if he was sleepy. Like I don't know what it was. But he was driving his truck. And one of his drive tires was flat. One of the inside drive tires was flat. So he driving. These people on the CB trying to call him like, hey bro, like try to hit him on the CB like, hey bro, man, you got a flat. You got a flat, like, you know what I'm saying? This, you know, you got a flat, dog. Like, what we got here? What we got here? We got an old wreck today, y'all. Damn, what is that? Y'all see that over there? Whole bunch going on over there. So y'all can see a little more. Hey man, that's the police. I thought somebody was fighting something. Yeah, they done tore up and stuff. They got a car over here between the police. That old Explorer over there, all the airbags and jumped at that jump. You got another car over there that's facing the wrong way. You got that little Dodge right there. I don't know what's going on. You got white people over there crying. Oh, they get so emotional. And they be having wrecks and stuff. Like, oh my God, I just don't know what happened. Just came out of nowhere. I didn't see the car. Just, I don't know. I need to change my battery too. Hold on. Look what we got, y'all. Yes. Anyway, so back to what I was saying about my moments, man. Damn, hold on. I'm zooming too far. Yeah, back to what I was saying about my moments. So, they have been trying to reach this guy on the radio, man. They said for miles. And one of his drive tires was flat. So, mind you, I'm at the truck stop. Like I said, I got my dog in the truck. I think that was the first trip my dog had took with me. So, I'm asleep because I had already been there, you know what I'm saying? Like, I was there overnight, sleep. So, the guy had no idea that his tire was flat. Had no idea he was driving for miles with a flat tire. If you keep driving on a flat tire at a high rate of speed, you're gonna smoke that tire. This guy, like I said, he never knew. So he decides, I guess it's about that time, he needs fuel. Pulls up to the pilot where I am. Now mind you, the way this pilot was set up, there's parking spaces directly behind the fuel island. Like directly behind it. I mean, they all the way around there, but it's spaces behind it too. So I'm parked directly behind one of the lanes in the fuel. I'm not saying on the fuel base and shit. He pulls his truck right in the fuel bay that's right in front of the parking spot where I am. My dog is barking, going crazy. I'm like, what the fuck wrong with you? I don't hear nobody knocking on the truck. I don't hear nothing. I have my curtains closed. Open my curtains. I look to the left, look down, on the side. Like that. You know, I look down like that right now. Don't see nothing. Lay back down. Shut up, man. Start barking again. I get up, look over here this time. And look over here like, man, what are you barking at? Like I said, mind you, it's cold as shit. I lay back down. He starts barking again. So at this point, I'm mad. Like, man, what the fuck is wrong with you? Excuse my French. What the fuck wrong with you? I open the curtains again. Now, mind you, it's getting a little warm in the truck. It's getting a little warm here. I was like, damn, it's so warm here. Mind you, it's cold as hell outside. Right, we're gonna say cold as hell, but it's cold in the mother. You know what I mean? I open up these curtains. Dude, when I tell you, the heat could have blew my eyebrows off. Man, that tire had caught on fire. Was burning the trailer and was working on the tractor. He out there with a fire extinguisher trying to put it out in the fuel bay. I'm talking about big flames in the fuel bay. He ain't trying to move it. None of that. I seen that shit. Dude, I was in my drawers. I got up I'm talking about fired that my truck up. I'm talking about hurry up, pulled out. Went to the other side. Went to the other side of the truck stop, because I wasn't about to leave. Went to the other side of the truck stop. Man, where I could see what was going on. Like I could still see what was going on. Man, that man, I'm talking about the tire caught the trailer on fire. This man had a load of paper. Man, I just knew that he was finna blow that truck stop up. I just knew it. I was like, ain't no way. He ain't blow the truck stop up. I mean, it set the top, like the awning or whatever you call it. It set that on fire. Well, it burnt it. It ain't set it on fire. It burnt it. Burnt it real good. But yeah, that was scary, bro. Like man, he finna kill everybody. Like he got there trying to put it out. Like his fire extinguisher is not working at all. Not with that hot rubber. It ain't working. It ain't working with that tie. And that paper ain't making it no better. Bruh, that was the scariest shit that I've ever been a part of. No, that wasn't the scariest part. That wasn't the scariest shit. But I ain't gonna tell y'all all the stories right now, man, cause if I tell y'all all of them, then I ain't gonna have nothing to tell y'all. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Go watch them cars today. I ain't there watching them cars. Man, that's a nice video right here. It's crazy what you see out here on this road. Well, out there on the road, because I ain't on the road no more. I mean, even in the city. See some crazy stuff. Oh, boy. Excuse me, y'all. You see some crazy stuff, man. You be like, wow. Like, what was y'all thinking? But, yeah, man. Those were two of my craziest moments, man. So, y'all jump down in the comments, man. Let me know some of y'all crazy moments, man. On the road, off the road, in your car, in a big truck, in an RV, whatever. Let me know some of y'all craziest moments, man. Till then, man, it's your boy B-Lo Nation, man. Now I'll catch y'all in the next one.